Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our preferences in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that in case you are facing any issues while logging in. Now let's simply focus on the topic. At the top right, you can see a profile icon right here. Simply hover over it. And once you do, these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is simply scroll down right here at the bottom, that is settings. Click on this button right there, and then you will be redirected to the settings page. Do note that there are multiple options ranging from profile, notification, preferences, and withdrawal. Right now, we only want to focus on the preferences tab. Well, do note from here, you can change your color preference. Simply click on edit and select the one you wish. You can also change your style settings. Simply click on edit and select whatever you wish. That is it. Do note from here you can also select the UTC time zone, enable or disable shortcuts, and simply change the theme. You only have to look at the buttons on the right. That is it guys. That's how you change your preferences in Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.